Today my topic is Pakistan-US relations. Pakistan and US has diplomatic relations since 1947. They have multifaceted relations from counterterrorism to energy to trade and investment. Bilateral economic relations. Pakistan is the fifth largest population and 42nd economy in 2019. US Pakistan trade in 2019 was $6 billion. According to the World Bank's report of ease doing business, Pakistan is ranking 108 in 190 economies. Since 1948 to 2016, US military aid was $78 billion. From 1979 to 1889, US Pakistan provided the funding and financing to the Afghanistan Mujahideen against the Soviet Union. But the relations are complicated when we talk about drone attacks, friendly fire incident of Salalah and attack in Abbottabad on Osama bin Laden. America is the largest supplier of military equipments. Afghan was a factor in, but Afghanistan is a factor in Pak-US relations. Relations exacerbated in 2018 when American President tweeted that US has foolishly given Pakistan $33 billion in aid over last 15 years and has given nothing, means Pakistan has given nothing but lies and deceit. US suspended $1.3 billion aid to the economically weakened Pakistan. When we talk about the Americans' war in Afghanistan, US has lost 2,200 soldiers in 18 years, and US $45 billion per annum is spent on the Afghanistan war. US wants the guarantee by Taliban not to use the place for the militant attacks against US. In this way, US want to ensure its big foreign policy win, claiming that this long war is ended. Why Pakistan needed America? Yes, Pakistan has Pakistan nuclear armed is weak and feeble economy. Pakistan need to revamp the relations with USA, in order to regain its investment, trade aid, because the US is the largest contributor in Pakistan in foreign direct investment. Pakistan want to resolve the issues in political issues in South Asia with America's cooperation. During the past 15 years, US provided the $15 billion in coalition support fund and $4 billion in the foreign military financing fund, 52 million in international military education and training fund. Pakistan annual loss is $10 billion because of being grey listed. Pakistan needs America's cooperation to escape from the grey list. The three wars are being fought on Kashmir, including 1947 war, 1965 war, 1999 war. Um, America can be serve as a mediator for resolving the issues between Pakistan and India over the stance of Kashmir.